Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making a DIY do-it-yourself slime with a slime that's out in my shop. Now I'm going to see if I can put the link in. If I can't, it'll probably be another one of my videos. And it won't. I'm trying to turn on the comments and it doesn't work. But, so I have this lavender dream slime right here. It's originally going to a slime that I'm going to have in the shop next Saturday, but I'm not going to show that one yet. Next Saturday, but it comes with one of these. And then it comes with a little straw too. So let me show you guys. So basically, when you get your slime, it won't be this color, but I'm using like a prop. I'm going to use a little bit of the slime that comes with it because I don't want to ruin it. So when you get it in the mail or delivered, it'll look like this. Oh, and shout out to the person that I just shipped their slime to Boston. I don't know if it's there yet or not. It'll come like this. Oh, so cute, but it won't be this slime. And then it'll also come with this inside. So when you open it up, it'll be like this. It might have a different thing on the top. And then so take it off, and then your slime will look very beautiful and fluffy. Great bubble pops too. So you take it out the bag, take it out the jar, play with it a little bit before you add stuff into it. Amazing! And then in like an hour we're gonna go ship my slime. Deliver my slime. So yeah, he said that we could meet up in an hour. So yeah. So now, I know the slime is amazing already. Let's see. Looks like when it's in. So we're gonna take the slime that comes with. It's unscented. It's not supposed to be scented. And then it's like this little pink slime. I don't know why I chose pink. Like it just matches. I wrote something up there and I spelled it wrong. Okay, whatever. Anyway, so you're gonna have this slime. I don't fill them all the way up. I think I've already said why in another video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it after. I only got a little bit of videos. So, it's like one of my newest ones. So, you come like this. Well, you don't have to put it like this. You can assemble it however you want. You put the little straw in. I put a duck in one of my custom slimes. So cute. I don't have any more ducks. I need to get some. Alright, so you put it in. Oh, so cute. Now, here's the part. That's the fun part. You don't want to look at it all day. Well, you kind of do because you don't want to mess up the masterpiece. But, so you have, and you put your slime in there. I haven't tested this out yet, but, and then look at that. The slime is amazing. And it looks like that little tint of pink into it. So great. I always give it a warm up. Like, I always do that to it. Oh, this is a problem. Nobody's getting this. This is for me. This is a great sign. Wow. Let me find that straw. Oh, it's like actually sticking out. That's the good part about it. Sticking out. Amazing slime. But it turns into super, super duper light pink. I wasn't supposed to add the whole thing. Okay, now we know what to do. Some silence. But I don't know what I did. But this would be amazing slime. And whenever you're done playing with it, you put it back in here, which everybody knows. Put it in your little container and all that stuff. And you have a perfect little slime. Put the cap on. DIY slime time. It did not hit any of my orders. Okay, well, if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, share it, and comment if I can figure out how to do it, because it won't work. And buy my slime shop. I'm making a Facebook group soon. Okay, I'm done staring silence. But peace out, guys. Peace. Looks amazing now. So now, once you finish, look at those bubble pops. Okay, guys, bye. Wait. Okay. And it can make like super, super good bubbles. Why does it look like that? What? Oh, that was cut. Oh, sorry, I didn't even know that. Cut. The thing won't turn. The thing won't. I'm done. I'm just gonna play with my slime now and just forget about the video. Oh, it's on that whole time. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a DIY, do it yourself. And this is a slime now. Wait. I wasn't supposed to show that slime. Because that was the new slime and I wasn't supposed to show that yet. Cut. Like, subscribe, share, and peace. Once it comes in all this, so let's go ahead and put it in the slime. It looks so amazing. I'm not even going to touch it. I'm just going to put it right in. There. And that's how you make, wait, oh no, oh no. I thought that was actually in because that was a slime order. I'll make a new one. Okay, it takes too long. Cut!